Hello mga kanayo natin dyan, mga ka-townshippers. So, it's Friday. Done work. Going home now. It's almost Mother's Day. So to all mothers, happy Mother's Day to all. And take care of yourselves. And to my mom, happy Mother's Day. And to the mother of my kids, happy Mother's Day. So yeah, it's weekend now. Well, not yet, it's Friday. So yeah, I don't know, I'm gonna greet my mom. Happy Mother's Day. And I don't know yet. Today I had a visitor from Homestead checking my unit. I don't know, it's always an inspection there. They're checking electrical panels, the sink, I don't know, the whole unit. They said they're gonna check everything. So I remove everything from my storage inside my flat, my apartment. I removed some of the boxes there to give way to so they can check the electrical panels. What do you call that again? Oh yeah, electrical panels. They're gonna check everything, so nothing is everything is in order. So they'll check everything. So yeah, there's no leaking in the sink. Underneath the sink, there's nothing there. There's no water overflowing. There's no clog. So everything is good. So let's see what they check when I get home. They told me they're gonna check it on the 5th. Now they're gonna check it again on the 8th. I don't know what's going on. So let's see what happened. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel, Joey Litos Way. It's my way or no way, something like that. So yeah guys, happy weekend, happy Friday, happy Mother's Day. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out.